appreciate you and that I will work hard as your Attorney General every single day. And just want to tell Chief Justice Christensen, I think there's a lot of reasons you're here today. It's pretty awesome to have a woman as our Chief Justice, a woman as our governor, and it turns out I end up as Attorney General. So, not to mention that when it was Judge Christensen, she presided over my first jury trials and certainly learned a lot in your courtroom, so thank you. And I just want to say some thanks here today. Governor Reynolds, I just really appreciate you. And Beckett and I had a lot of fun on the bus this fall. Yes, and he refers to the governor as mom's friend, the governor.